If you want to add magnifier on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max screenshot, I show you how. So just press volume on side button to take a screenshot and touch this and click this pencil icon at the top. Now touch this plus icon and here you need to click this last option, add loop or something like that. I don't know how to pronounce this. Just touch that. Okay, now you can see on the background the magnifier were added. This blue dot used to expand the magnifier size. So like this, you can expand, and this green dot is the zoom option. So you can see. Okay, and we have other things. The stroke, you can change the stroke color like this, and you can change the stroke density. So it's completely your wish. I just select white. Okay, it looks cool. Then take this and save to photos or files. I just click photos. That's it. Library, yeah, here you can see. So it's added. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to transfer, how to transfer photos from Files app to your Photos app on your iPhone 17, watch this video.